All right, so most of us, I bought that 4-color: green, yellow, blue, and red. They said the red is most powerful. Let's start with our red. Before we do this test, we want to make sure we're doing for something, right? So, I mean, we did pretty good job with our neck. I don't feel any restriction. A little slightly, but it's not bad. Let's see if we can clear out with our red glasses. Oh, touch it. So, red light. Put it up. Wow, that's very cool entry. That was a blue color. Now it's completely different color. All right, so I'm looking at my red color, and all I do, you can play with your eyes. You can get that one thumb and look up and down. Just use your eyes. Don't use your don't move your head. You can do in front, away, left. You can hold. Just using my eyes. Don't move my head. See how I feel. Up, down, and try to turn your head now. Is that the better? Yes. This is crazy. Some good tester. Let's see. Let's do yellow. And like I said, for every person, it's going to be different color. How amazing is that? So much information, so much colorful. Especially watching this video cartoons on your phone, which is flashy. It could be create that stiffness and dehydration of the fascia. This is for sure. And even when you play games right now, they put this. They're supposed to put that. It's create that seizure, the flashing, scary stuff coming to you. All this bing, bam, boom, bada, boom. This is what can be create the seizures. How bad is for your brain is. So think about it. Okay, yellow. Oh, yellow is it's interesting. Let's say before I go, let's say I want to touch the ground. I mean, I almost touch it. Yeah, I touch it actually. Let's see if I can do with that. Put the yellow glasses now. Push through my head on the right side and start walk. Push to the right side. Push to the left. And release. You can touch it again, like again, yellow. Is that better? Yes, it's a little bit, but this is better. And like I said, it's all different colors. I have a green. Let's see, I never tried a green. Kind of like light green. Yeah, so it's a green. It's more brighter. The picture is more focused. This is great. Like I said, it's just amazing. Yeah, it's not even like a specific glasses, but it's get more focused. So the color is mean a lot. It's mean a lot. If you got so much flashy pictures, it could be create an issue and problem in your body. So try to stay in one tone. That's why sometimes people like to go desert because it's yellow, or they go into the forest because it's green. They go to the ocean, it's only blue, and that's help them to heal. So it's also lights matter now. You guys have a wonderful day. Great tests. I love to be with you. Do those exercises. Subscribe. We'll see you Thursday, 7:30 live.